You are watching channel Maths and Method Academy. Today we are going to solve an equation of the type x plus a into x plus b into x plus c into x plus d is equal to k, where a plus b is equal to c plus d, and our given equation is x minus 2 into x plus 4 into x minus 6 into x plus 8 is equal to 441. Before we move toward the solution, please subscribe this channel so that you could receive all our videos in time. And now let's go on with our solution. In this equation, in all the four brackets, we have to make pairs of two brackets each in such a way that the sum of their digit term should be equal. Like what I am trying to say here, that suppose we make pair of this minus 2 plus 4, it should be 4 minus 2 will be 2, and here in this case 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So we will make two pairs. This will be pair number 1 and this will be pair number 2, and we will multiply these brackets. This x we will multiply with this x and then 4. So x into x, x4, x square, and x into 4 is 4x. Then we will multiply minus 2 with x and minus 2 with 4. So it will be minus 2x minus 8. Now we go to the second bracket and perform the same operation. X will be multiplied with x and x will be multiplied with 8. So it is x squared plus 8x. Then minus 6 will be multiplied with x and minus 6 will be multiplied with 8. So minus 6 into x is minus 6 and minus 6 into 8 is minus 48. Bracket close, and it is equal to 441. Let us simplify this bracket. So it will be x squared, 4x minus 2x is 2x, then x squared, 8x minus 6x is again 2x, now you can see that the first two terms of both the brackets are same, and now we will assume these two terms equal to y. So y is equal to x squared plus 2x, and now we will replace this value into the equation. So instead of x squared plus 2x we will write y and then minus 8, then again y and minus 48 is equal to 441. Now we will multiply these brackets. First we will multiply y with y and then y with 48. So it will be y squared minus 48y, and then we will multiply minus 8 with y and then minus 8 with 48. So it will be minus 8y and plus 384 when we multiply minus 8 with minus 48. Okay, we will further simplify it. So y squared minus 48 minus 48 and minus 8 is minus 56 y plus 384, and we will bring that 441 on the left side, so it will become negative. Again we will simplify it. Y squared minus 56y minus 57 is equal to 0. We have this quadratic equation over here. Now either we can solve it with the help of the quadratic formula, or we can simply factorize it as well. So let us go for the factorization. Here we have to compare it with the general form of the quadratic equation, which will be like this: ay squared plus by plus c is equal to 0. Since there is no coefficient of y square here, it means it will be 1. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 56. Again and again I am reminding, please don't miss the sign if it is negative. And this c is minus 57. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 56, and c is equal to, sorry, I said we are going to solve it with factorization and I have started quadratic formula. No problem. We will do it like this. So c is equal to, or let's go back and we will do it with the factorization, because that is not a length. This will be lengthier procedure in this case. So let's do it with factorization. So it is y square minus 56y minus 57. Okay, now we will, since it is its coefficient, y squared coefficient is 1, so we will multiply these two. We will be getting 1 into 57 is equal to 57. Let's write down all its possible pair of factors. So the first one is itself, which is 1 into 57. Second one is 3 into 19 is equal to 57. And I believe these are the only two pair of factors. So now we have to check if we have any of these pair of factors which can give us 56 if we add two factors of that pair. So obviously the first one is fulfilling the condition. If we subtract 1 from 57, we are getting 56. So instead of minus 56y, we can write minus 57y plus y. Okay. Let us replace minus 56y with minus 57y plus y minus 57 is equal to 0. In the first pair we have y common, and in the second pair we have 1 common. So y into y minus 57 plus 1 y minus 57 is equal to 0. So y minus 57 is common in both, and the left is y plus 1. So now either y minus 57 is equal to 0 or y plus 1 is equal to 0. If you can recall, in the beginning of the question we assumed that y is equal to x squared plus 2x. So that value we will bring back. So x squared plus 2x minus 57 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this first one, we have the quadratic equation. We will solve it with the help of the quadratic formula. The general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. There is no coefficient of x squared, which means it is 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 57. So, okay, we will write it down here. A is equal to 1, b is 2 and c is equal to minus 57. On this side, it is very obvious that x squared plus 2x plus 1 is the square of x plus 1, which means we have x plus 1 is equal to 0, or the second one is also x plus 1 is equal to 0, so we are not writing. Then x in this case comes out to be minus 1. Let's solve this quadratic equation now. We will write quadratic formula as x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Let's place the value of a, b and c. So it is minus 2 plus minus square of 2 minus 4 into 1 into minus 57 over 2 into 1. Let us simplify it. Minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 228 over 2 minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 2, 28 is 232 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus this 232 can be written as 4 into 58. Square root of 4 will be 2, which we will take out. So minus 2 plus 2 square root of 58 over 2. Now 2 is common here. So minus 1 plus square root of 58 over 2. This 2 will cancel with this 2. So we are left with minus 1 plus minus square root of 58. So now we have our complete solution. One value is minus 1 and the other two values are minus 1 plus square root of 58 and minus 1 minus square root of 58. So we can write our solution set now. Minus 1, then minus 1 plus square root of 58 and minus 1 minus square root of 58. These are the three answers in this case. Actually there are 4, but since minus 1 is appearing twice, so there is no use of no use of writing same number twice, so we are writing it only once. So minus 1 and minus 1 plus square root of 58 and minus 1 minus square root of 58, and this is the answer of our question. That's all for now. Until the next time, please take care and bye.